It is not actually coding. It's a design program we use at my internship. So first to the home page, we're just going to go here real quick, preview this. There's a few cool features here that I wanted you to see. I'll load first. Alright, maybe. Okay, so I have the navigation set up like this. Home page, sports, you're going to have each individual sport that we talked about. A tab for the executive board, and then how to register. Scroll through here, and the old website, it got kind of messy. This just has the information on how to join, becoming an official, and then about the USAOA. Just put it in a little more cleaner format. Notice here this image is kind of blurry, so we'll change that. But each sport page will have the individual sport in the background. So football will have a football picture, basketball picture for local teams. I used Catholic, Reese Puffer, Shores, OK Black Conference mostly. So anyway, as we scroll down, you're going to see upcoming events. I have this on each page, all of the sports. I don't know, it's up to you guys and if you want to keep that or not. But it's helpful for trainers and assigners for each sport to be able to post things for everybody to see pertaining to that particular sport. As we scroll down, just through in a gallery. I don't know if that's of any use to you, but kind of cool to check out. And at the bottom here, a contact page. We can send that to any email you like. I don't know if you guys have a company website you're using, or something like that, or an individual who gets all the emails, but we can worry about that as we get there. Okay, so we know the sports pages. These still need a little bit of work, but I guess you can see the general layout of them. I'll go back here first. Alright, so we'll try boys basketball first. Alright, so here, and this is how it is on every page. 2015 boys basketball staff, girls basketball staff, football, etc. We can change that if you don't use the word staff. How I have here, though, is we're going to have each trainer. It says trainers and then a signer over here. I think the picture thing is kind of cool, rollover. I don't think you're going to need this Twitter icon here, but you could do a link to email or, just a short bio if you think that's important. But having a picture of each person in whatever their uniform is would be kind of cool. More upcoming events pertaining to boys basketball here, and then I have a gallery down here. And here's just the background going on with Reese Puffer. We can add or take away any aspect you may want here. It's not difficult to do. So if you have any other suggestions, or maybe instead of this gallery we do, sort of info box of sorts, that could work too. So all the other sports are the same. Just kind of changes, football staff. At the top here, I have all the names in I took for the E teams. We just got to update pictures and that sort of thing. More pictures. A lot of these are taken from MLive. I'm not sure if we can use them, but for this purpose, I don't think they're going to have a problem with it. Same layout here as you'll see on all the other pages. The cool thing about Adobe Muse is that it is edited in the browser. So after this is finished, if you guys choose to go this way, it's pretty simple. You'll just open Google Chrome up and I'll make things editable to you. It's not too difficult. Cut and paste, no code required. Alright, so here's the executive board page. Not quite finished with this yet, but just so you get the gist of it. You're going to have your executive board up here, the same as the other coaches' pages. I think it's kind of a nice touch. Upcoming events. And then down here I was going to have a link to your bylaws, your board minutes, and then the finances somewhere around here in a specific layout. We can do another contact page if you think it's necessary, if you have a separate email. I think it's kind of confusing to have multiple contact pages, so we'll probably just take this one out. Lastly, the register. I'm not really sure what you're looking for here. We can talk about that later. I just know that registration link needs to be on here, and other than that, it's just a lot of the same of the previous layout. So, I guess we'll focus more on that, but I just wanted to give you guys a look at progress that was made, if we can make any changes, and go from there. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Alright, thanks.